Welcome to yet another video lecture on the subject corporate administration. The topic for today's video session is steps in formation of a company part 1, which is the subtopic of the first chapter, introduction to company. Myself, Chand Pasha, working as assistant professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Hoskote. Dear friends, in my first video lecture on the subject introduction to company, we have discussed introduction aspect of company, where we have seen the company was started basically to overcome the drawbacks of sole trading concern and partnership, and we also came to know meaning and definition of companies and features of joint stock company. In today's video lecture, we will be discussing steps in formation of company part 1. Moving forward, stages in formation of company. It involves totally 4 stages. First one, formation stage, incorporation stage, capital subscription stage, commencement stage. Any company for that matter, when they go for formation, they have to follow all the 4 steps and all the 4 stages. First one, repeat, formation stage, incorporation stage, capital subscription stage, commencement stage. Out of these 4 steps, in the first part, that is this whole 4 steps have been divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. So where part 1, I will be covering the first 2 steps, that is the formation stage and incorporation stage. In my coming videos, I will be covering the remaining 2 stages, that is capital subscription stage and commencement stage. Promotion stage. Promotion is the first step or first stage in formation of a company. It involves getting an idea or searching of a business opportunity and taking initiatives to form a company. And any person or any group of person who discover an idea or who get an opportunity to form a company, they will be known as promoter or promoters. To give example, a person who basically starts the company, or we call it as a founder of the company, so they are called as a promoters. In case of Reliance company, Dhirubhai Ambani. So Dhirubhai Ambani becomes the founder, so he is known as the promoter of a company. Therefore, steps in the formation of a company, the first stage is called as the promotion stage, where we get an idea or we get a business opportunity to start the company. We have to follow some steps in the company formation, that is steps for company promotion. So steps in company formation, first we have discovery of an idea. So discovery of idea means before starting any business, the promoter or the founder thinks about the nature and production of a business, what type of business to start, what is the nature of business. Basically he get an idea of what business to start. So therefore we tell steps in company steps in company promotion. First is discovery of an idea. First idea will come, first thought will come about what company or which company to start, what is the nature of business, what kinds of goods to be produced, all will be coming under discovery of an idea. The first steps, the way the promotion take place, discovery of an idea. Second is detailed investigation. The promoter, after discovering an idea, he goes into detailed investigation about the business opportunities. He do all the preliminary investigation and make out the plans, make out the feasibility plans with regard to availability of credit, availability of capital, means of transportation, electricity. Mean to say, once the promoter got an idea about the business, the next step is getting into detailed investigation about that idea, whether it is going to be feasible to start the business or not. So where is going to check capital availability, how much capital is being required, then what is the means of transportation, etc., etc. The third step in the company promotion involve assembling. Assembling means gathering. First step, getting an idea. Second step, getting the detailed investigation about that idea, whether it is feasible or not. Once the answer says yes, it is feasible, that we can go for the company, then third steps comes assembling. That is, the promoter need to assemble various factors of production. That is, can be men, machine, money. So various factors of production start assembling. The promoter does the work of getting all the things assembled. The next steps comes financing. After assembling all the factors of production, the promoter decides the capital source of the company, and they work out the different ways through which the capital of the company can be generated. Basically, the capital source, that they can get the capital by issue of shares or by issue of debenture. So the promoter will work out what is the correct way of financing the company. Then the next steps comes preparation of essential documents. Dear friends, here the job of promoter is very important. It is the promoter who takes the initiative in forming the company. He discover an idea, he do detailed investigation about that idea. If the investigation report says feasible, then he go for assembling of all the factors of production. Then he goes for financing the project. Then comes preparation of essential document. It is a promoter who does the basic work, preliminary work we called. So whatever the documents needed for the company formation, all the documents is going to arrange. Basically, documents we have three type. One is the prospectus of a company, memorandum of association, and articles of association. So all these three documents the promoters is going to prepare. So this all we have in the first step called promotion stage. Next stage comes incorporation stage. So incorporation stage is the second step in formation of company, where the promoter, after completing all the formalities, he makes an application for incorporation, or he makes an application for registration of the company. While he is applying for the registration, the application has to be filed with ROC. That is, the application has to be submitted to Registrar of Companies, in which state they want to plan to start the business, or in which state they want to have the registered office, and the application must be accompanied with the registration fees and following certain set of documents. Document just now we have discussed. The company requires a three set of documents. One is the prospectus, memorandum of association, and articles of association. And once all the preliminary work is over, if the registrar of the company feels that all the documents have been properly submitted, registration fees also been paid, then the certificate of incorporation will be granted to such companies. One thing to be noted here, in case of formation of a private company, only the first two stages are involved. First two stages are involved, that is, it business, only first two stage of private company are involved, that is the promotion stage and that's the incorporation stage. But in case of public company, all the four stages need to be followed. That's all I have in this video session. Thank you.